What is up, boys and girls? Welcome to day 267 of backtesting every single day. Today is the 23rd of January, and I am so hyped up. I don't know why. And, well, maybe it's because we're going into the weekend. Let me charge this. Maybe it's because we're going into the weekend, but let's get the session going. Let me message the Discord. Okay. Yeah, we are on the 23rd of January 2026, Friday. This camera doesn't want to go lower. And yeah, here we are going to do the backtesting, and we'll be doing the backtesting of the inversion model in 2019. And after that, I guess I could now start my weekend, because my weekend only involves reviewing my trades and journaling, going to church, and talking with loved ones. So let's get going. We'll be doing version model 2019, as I just said. So let's get pushing. Alrighty, now going to the daily time frame. Let's start the new day. I can see the price is looking bullish, right? We have, I think this is all-time highs, is it? Check the weekly. Yeah, these highs here are all-time highs. Yeah, a couple of points away, 132 points. With the beer we have nowadays, this could be achieved in one day, but in 2019 it was kind of slow. So now going to the daily time frame, price is obviously bullish. Now the 4-hour is retracing into this 4-hour gap here, so I'd like to see it push higher. If it inverses, then it will be showing some bearish potential, so I would like to see it go higher. If I think we have some Asia highs inside here as well. Let's check where the Asia highs are at. Yep, directly above at the Asia highs. So let's see if we can find some longs on this day. Okay, give me a second. Right now, going on the 15-minute, I can see that on the 15-minute you can see that I thought it was raining. Okay, so going to the 15-minute, you can see we have some low resistance liquidity right here. So I'd like to see price head to that low res liquidity and take it out. Now, I think it's quite obvious that there is a gap here that could also get respected. So we have to stay cautious with how we manage this trade. Damn, my headsets aren't working. Okay, now my headsets are connected. So I'd like to generally see price go higher. Let's see what happens. So we also have these lows here. So maybe those lows get run, then price reverses. Let's just wait and see. So before the open, few minutes before the open, the lows get run. Checking the 15, market looks like it might be about to reject. The daily is good, 4-hour is good, 1 hour is also looking good, so I'd like to see it close inside here. Let's just wait and see. 2 minute, 5. Okay, how's the 1 minute? So far the 1 minute has inversed this gap here, this gap here. So I'd like to see the 2 minute inverse though, because I'll be more confident with the 2 minute. And the 5 minute is also looking good. 3 minute has also inversed, so 3 minute is looking better as of now. And I believe ES is also going higher, and ES has an SMT at these lows here, so we got an SMT right here. Now let's try some longs and see if we can get to this low resistance right here. So obviously these highs will be great. So let's take it on the 3 minute. Yeah, so entry will be here, take profit at this high, and my stop somewhere around here. So it will be 500 over 20. 200, yeah. 2 minutes long. I might stop at this low. Stop at this high. Take profit at this high. Silver price is moving good. If it closes above here, will be clear indication that we could close at break even. If it continues to drop, I can see that the 15 minute closed way too bullish here. I'd like to see it continue higher, but this obviously would break even, because once this higher has been run with a crazy SMT at the highs, this wouldn't be a bearish indication. This wouldn't be a bullish indication. It might reverse later, but I would like to close it there. Okay, checking the 1 hour, there's one thing I can notice. We have this gap here holding. 4 hour closed very beautiful inside the gap. Now the 1 hour, obviously I would like to see price push higher, since we are showing signs of bullishness. Now checking the 5 minute. 3:30. Give me a sec. Okay. Have some good 5 minute inversions. The price isn't really holding, isn't providing the best signs it could. We're leaving behind some liquidity targets as well. So I'd like to wait and see what happens here. So you can see price ends up hitting the bullish target. Wow, this is that diabolical drop, to be honest. So I was quite right about the bias. It's just that I was stopped out at break even, but everything else looked nice. So low resistance got taken out. So let's see. I mean, not bad, just crazy. And these SMTs, I think these SMTs wouldn't make me hold the position. Let's just leave it there. So I see that the 30 minute has inversed, so I wouldn't like to see this low get taken, to be honest. Like, I'm confident that this low could hold. So let's see if maybe we can still find any bullish opportunities. We have this 5 minute gap here and a run on this low here, leaving behind an inverse like this. So there's this liquidity run right here and an SMT. Now when you check the 1 minute, there's an inversion, 2 minute inversion, 3 minute. I don't know, let's see. The 3 minute inverses here I think would be great. Or maybe use the 2 minute, 4, 5. I think I'd rather use the 2 minute though. Okay, let's use this 5 minute and see. On this inversion here, it's a 5 minute rejecting this gap, 5 minute inversion here. Now we have these draws here, all these draws. I'd like to see it maybe hit the Asia high, and checking the 5 minute, obviously the stop will be somewhere below here and the break even will be at this high. Let's see if maybe we'll get the continuation higher. So that will be 500 over 260, still 2 minis. Yeah. It's going so slow. All these trades are not working. Okay, stop at this low here, take profit at this high and wait. Let's see if Asia highs get tagged in, break even at this high. Oh, come on. Okay, how did the hourly candle close? Very quite indecisively. So there's chances that this might get this might cook us, to be honest. So let's just wait and see. Hey yo, diabolical stuff out. Yeah, this is not looking good. Yeah, I'm going to close at $190 loss. Anyways, looks like price is so slow. Let's just leave it to the next day. Okay, this day was bearish. Now I'm checking the 4 hour. Man, I don't like this impression here. It's not giving, to be honest. It's really not giving, but we have this good SMTs like this. So checking the 1 hour. So the 1 hour doesn't have a thing, 2 hour nothing. I wonder what POI we shall long from. But we have a small 1 hour inversion here. So the reason I'm choosing to go with longs is because checking obviously how market is moving, like the structure is high low, high low, high low, and we are at the face of the high low. So I would like to see a new high form. So basing on this, I think longs will still be a good idea. 4 hour retracement into this gap here, take profit at this high and this high here. So I'd like to see it go something like this. And we also have 830 high here, data high. Okay, 931 drops, leaving the 930 open there. I think here there was an opportunity though. You can see we have a beautiful liquidity run here. liquidity run right here. And we have this 5-minute gap here. Now I'd like to see it hit to this highs around here. So that's 500 over 100, so 5 minutes long. I'd like to long it at 933. It's quite an early long, but we have a good SMT right here. Liquidity run here, liquidity run here, 5-minute gap retracement. So I'd like to see if it delivers higher. If it hits this high and this high here, I'll be moving to break even, most likely the high here. So take profit will be at this high. Oh, what was this? Like, look at this candle here. Wow, diabolical. Why? Why? Damn. Okay. You have to take what price is showing us. Now we are getting an SMT at these lows. Let's just wait for the next candle open. 1 hour, because it's bullish. 4 hour, somewhat bullish. So let's see if you can get a PO3 entry here. Now we have some crazy draws lower. That's why I think yeah, this is some choppy range. These are crazy SMTs. Okay. Now we have an SMT at the highs, and there is this 15-minute gap right here. So price tapped into it here, and it's now rejecting. So maybe it could be bearish. Now we have a small 5-minute gap retracement inside here. So if you get a 1 minute or a 2-minute inversion, I'll be okay with shorting. And then we get the inverse here. Man, the conditions here are not really good. But as this 5-minute rejects, I'd like to see it head to this and this low here. So we're given at this one, targeting this low, because apparently price doesn't want to go higher. Wow. This is some serious chop though. This is some serious chop. It's actually still in this 30-minute. Let's just try it out and see. So you can take shorts from here, stop at this high, target these lows here. Five minutes short. My stop will be at this high here. Now we wait. hate this. I hate trading. Actually, this was because this was very, very low probability. Should have waited for the breakout. Okay, breakout higher. 4 hour is now going higher. 4 gap retracement, and this gap here. So I think this gap here would be a good target. Clicking the 1 hour. 1 hour gap retracement. So 15-minute gap is okay. 30-minute, 1 hour. Very good gap. Let's wait. So I'd like to see some these relatively equal lows here get run, then price delivers high. Okay, very good open. Whoa, generational meltdown. Okay, very, very bearish close and run on the lows here. There's an SMT, but it's still a 4 hour gap. Okay, 4 hour close, extremely bearish here. One hour burst, so clear indication of bearishness. We are not going to force anything. I think I am going to short it today, to be honest. I'm not going to care about that. Because of that 4 hour inversion, I will still be considering longing. Like, where would I be longing from? Where? This 15-minute gap? Obviously not. 1 hour gap? No. So I mean, it would be good to long it, but let's see. I'll stick with some shorts today. Very, very small 30, very small 15-minute, but it's a 30-minute retracement. You can see it into this gap here. So I mean, shorts could be valid here. I mean, 1 minute. Let's see the 2 minute. 2 minutes okay. 1 minute is okay as well. Let's wait and see. Okay, it's rejecting. 3 minute. There's an inversion, I believe. Yeah, 2 minute has inversed. 4 minute, 4 minute has inversed. 5 minute also inversed. So I think this will be A plus, to be honest. 15 minute, 30 minute rejection. So let's see if maybe we achieve this low here. If price is truly bearish, then it will drop. Inversion. So shorts targeting at this low here. That's 500 over 10. Wait, over 100. 5 minutes long. Wait, 5 minutes short. I'm, I'm on drugs. Wow. Let's stop at this high here and wait. I mean, I'm so traumatized by stop losses this time that I don't bother setting take profit. Wow. Wow, NQ. Wow. Congrats. Man, this is absolute pain. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so looks like price wanted to run the wanted to leave behind this SMT here, and it was rejecting very beautifully. So entries, next possible entries could have been here, targeting this low. Wow. Okay. Losses are normal. Let's go to the next day. Let's go to the next day though. I'm checking the 4-hour. Price ended up rejecting and going higher, running this high. Wow. Okay. I'll be waiting for price to show me some bullish opportunities, either retrace back to this low here or start going higher. Now let's just wait. Okay, consolidation. I'd like to see a run on this low though. Okay, 1 hour runs this low here. I'd like to see this 2-minute get inverted, which it does. 3, 4, 5 longs, macro longs. Oh man, I'm crazy. Okay, 930 high. Where's the 930 high? Not a draw. This what are these called? Low resistance right here, and these highs here. Okay, let's try these 2-minute longs. Okay. Stop at this low. Take profit at this highs. Let's wait. Oh, come on. If it breaks this high, it will be a break even. Oh, come on. Damn. These losses are crazy. I mean, 2019 PA was insane. I actually should know that 90% of the time, if this thing is bullish, it actually pushes higher. Now we get a 4-hour retracement lower, so if it pushes higher and shows some expansion, I might consider some longs. If it fails to do so, okay, now we dropped all the way to this low here, giving the SMT is still holding, so maybe this 15-minute high could be a good target. Let's try it out for us. Easy 1-to-1 on the 2-minute. So 500 over 160, like 4, I guess. 3 minutes long. Oh. Is whenever I short, market goes higher. When I long, goes lower. Yeah, clear break even, man. Let's close this. Launch macro. Yeah. Okay, going to the next day. Man, we are so choppy these days. Yeah, having a good rejection inside here. Like to see price head all the way to these highs. Now the 1 hour is pushing higher. We have, is this a gap though? Nope, it's not that big of a gap. Okay, so these highs here are good targets. As we reject inside here, I think longs will be great. And we have some sell side, so run lower than push higher. I'd like to see these lows here get run, because they're relatively equal lows, I believe. Yep, stacked liquidity. So open, goes higher for some time, while ES is dropping, leaving an SMT behind. But I'd like to see NQ hit it as well. So price has literally run this high here, and it's still in the consolidation. Let's just wait and see if this low here gets run, which it does get run. Now I'd like to see reversals. Oh. Okay, well, we're in a consolidation, as you can see, and price is not looking good. So 4 hour is also looking somewhat is in a range, it show barcode, so we just have to wait. Oh my god, generational drop. Okay, get a beautiful run on this low here. A crazy SMT. And as it looks, since price doesn't want to drop and ends up hitting take profit at this high, so I would take a small opportunity here. I think it would be a great one, but actually it wouldn't be like a very great one because price could still go lower at any time. I think it's about to do like a 15-minute gap retracement, then start going higher, because after running that 4-hour high, I wouldn't expect it to go higher. I mean lower. I am tweaking. Not very good PA, so let's see how the next day goes. Okay, so yesterday rejected after running this low, and started going higher, so at least now it might get some continuations higher, I believe. We have gap retracement, so I think longs could be a thing. This here, so I think longs could still be valid on the day, even though we are consolidating inside here. We're in this kind of range. Right, 930 low gets run. Right here. Looks like we're about to reverse. But if we see some displacement, then longs could be good. Anyways, 5 minute is going higher. 15-minute is rejecting quite good. Honestly, this will be a discretionary trade. I like to take with this though, because price is so choppy. Very small gap. How big is it? Not even 1 full point. Okay. Okay, let's take rate this. The reason I want to take rate it is because we're so in some chop. We're in chop, so I'd like to wait and see if that would work. Was correct on bias, but market ends up DDing me. Does some DD shit to me for sure. Okay. Man. Crazy SMT here. Gap here. So run on liquidity. Two, three, four, five. Let's see if we can target these highs here. $500 over 68 minutes long. Damn, this is too much. This is not looking good. Now let's go to the next step. We've already killed everything. Now price is close to the all-time highs. I don't know why price was behaving like this. Still bullish. 15 minutes could have a good retracement actually, so we'll have to wait. Gap here. Scalp here is good. Scalp here is good. Let's stay with this because this will be the best opportunity, but it doesn't look like it will be given. .30-minute retracements. Two minutes impressed. Let's try some longs though. Let's use the 3 minute though. Take profit at this high here. And okay, let's try this. That will be 3 minutes long. And take profit at this high. Oh man, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Seriously, bro. This is BS. So price ticked all-time highs, then reversed lower. Now breaking the 4H. There is a crazy retracement lower. Now, I mean, honestly, at these times, market structure will work more than verbal gaps and stuff like that. Have a good inversion here. Small 15-minute gap, 5-minute retracement. Wow. Okay, let's do it like this. Since the 15-minute is rejecting, 30-minute is rejecting, not quite not the 1 hour, but we can try out some longs, probably to these highs here. So it's 3 minutes long. Now we just sit and, oh come on. Okay. Okay, checking the 4H. This is a crazy drop incoming. Let's wait for the next possible opportunity. 5-minute retracement. Is around here. 5-minute with an SMT. Maybe if drops later, we might take some shorts. Okay, inversion holds beautifully here. So now shorts. Let's try this out here. 500 over 120. long. 4 minutes short, sorry. Man, I'm talking. Stop at this high. Take profit at this low. Okay, very good drop. Okay, the price is still dropping. It doesn't want. I would like to see it hit all the way to this low though. Maybe these lows. Okay, so this is obvious indication that you should close and take profit. Anyways, let's close here. You can see if we kept holding it, we'll end up hitting stop loss either way. Gap here, so longs could actually be valid. So we get a beautiful 5-minute inversion. So 15-minute gap has 1 hour has a good rejection. 5-minute gap is also rejecting and is retracing to the inversion. I'd like to see it retracing to the inversion. So inverses, falls short of it. Let's try longs again. If it fails to break this high here, that's 500 over 220. Try 2 minutes long. Okay, looks like it's trying to break higher. Okay, so 15-minute gap is rejecting, 30-minute is rejecting, so let's close that break even. Okay, now the retracement into the inversion here gets in like this. Let's see if longs will work out. Like this will be a swing though, like not a swing actually, it's a day trade, not just a simple one, to see if market will deliver all the way to these highs. Okay, let's see, will it end up hitting higher later in the day? Wow, very beautiful 3R actually. Banger over the weekend though. Anyways, you can see that the morning thing works. I should see if maybe I'll be taking trades like the ones that do like over more hours, I'd say. Anyways, with these remaining minutes, how many minutes are remaining for this? 5 minutes. It's going to get a bit real and kind of reflect how I've been trading lately. Let me zoom this in, give me a second. Yeah, so recently I haven't been trading really great. I've been blowing tons and tons of accounts. Now Reflecting, I don't know if it's the model that doesn't work, but I believe the model works because I've backtested it. I've seen it in action, so I believe the model works, whether on ES, whether on NQ, and also some other assets, because I will also try backtesting some other assets to show that this model works even on other assets. So I wouldn't say that it's the model's fault. Sometimes it's my fault because I'm the one who sabotages myself. I'm the one who does the mistakes that keep me unprofitable. This week, just this week, I've blew one, two, three, four, five evals. Five? Five evals. That's really too much. Well, not to some people, but to people who are broke like me, that's too much. 5 times $100, it's $500 blown just 1 week. Considering that my salary is $600, so I'm on a very crazy losing streak. But I will recover from this, and I'm doing my best to recover from this. What this does teach me is that, well, I'm still learning. I'm gathering the experience, because some people failed at this. Some can't do this, but I'm still striving and doing my best. So I am proud. I am proud of where I am. I am proud that I'm still pushing. I am proud that I will get out of this, and I will, you know, be a profitable trader. I will get those funded accounts. I will open live accounts. I will get to all those things that I do dream of. So this is just, a small, like, corrective move, a small uh, high and low being created, but we will soon rise again. And it's just a matter of time, and putting in the consistent work for the things to show up as we think they would. So it's just a matter of time. You just have to wait. So that's the message I have for my future self. Because sometime I don't know, I might just come and watch these videos, because YouTube will still be there. Well, except if it shuts down. But that's basically it. Another thing I want to reflect on is how should I call this? Uh, Patience and urgency. Sometimes my mind does make me feel impatient, because I'm like, okay, I saw that I can pass an account without doing the mistakes, so I should wait for A plus setups, over risk on them. Like, okay, not actually over risk, like, kind of full port the eval. 1k, make 1500, next day 1k, make 1500, and then get done. But that's not how it works, because the market will reward you how you work. If you obey your rules, then it will reward you in that kind of way. If you force stuff, then it will show you that that's not how things work. There's this trader that said that forcing trades is like farting, because if you force it, then that's probably shit. So I realized that I shouldn't be forcing to pass an eval, but instead let the market talk to me, read the market like I'm a student, because I'm not here to, like, force making money. I'm here to learn, and learning involves, taking notes, doing the assignments, which is this back testing here, which is journaling, which is reflecting, and seeing how far, not actually how far, like, how you are doing your journal. So that's also another thing I want to grow on, like, not trying to force things, and have patience, and also reduce the urgency, because being successful means you have the biggest patience. So macro patience and micro urgency. That you don't have urgency at all. So that's basically it. Let me stop the yapping here. I know some people don't like it, but yeah, that's it. So have a great weekend and stay blessed. Peace.